Welcome back. Now another way for you to be able to go back in time is to use a rollback plugin. And if you search for rollback, there are certain plugins available that will roll back plugins installed on your site. Now they will not roll back all plugins. For example, WP Rollback will roll back any WordPress.org plugin or theme. You need to choose the one that's going to be compatible with your other plugins and that's going to be compatible with your business. Now for the sake of this video, we're going to click Install now for WP Rollback. We're then going to activate WP Rollback. And what you'll notice here is that once you install WP Rollback, each plugin has rollback next to it in its menu. So for example, a keys met can be rolled back, compliance can be rolled back, really simple SSL can be rolled back, updraft can be rolled back, and you can see that here. WordFence can be rolled back, and WP Rollback can also be rolled back. So basically, you'll then want to choose the plugin where you need to go back in time, and you'll then be able to click on the rollback area in order to take the plugin and your WordPress installation to an earlier state. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WP Learning 101.com and start mastering WordPress today.